let's learn how you can leave Telegram group. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device because method is same for all phones. So first thing, you will have to log into your Telegram account and then open Telegram application. Then you will have to find and go to group you want to leave. For example, I will take this one. You will just have to click on group name on top bar, and it will open some thing like side menu. As you can see here, you will see 4 different options, and there is one leave options here. To leave the group, just click on leave. This little pop-up will appear. Are you sure you want to leave the channel? Click leave again if you want to leave, this red button, and as you can see, it will say that you left the channel. You can undo this option if you change your mind, but when you leave, a group will be deleted and you won't see its messages anymore. So thanks.